Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about JavaScript interview questions. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. First question you will be asked in the interview is differentiate between null and undefined in JavaScript. So null represents the intentional absence of any object value, while undefined signifies a variable that has been declared but has not yet been assigned a value. So here's an example. Okay, now the next interview question is explain the concept of closure. So closure occurs when a function is defined within another function, allowing the inner function to access variables from its outer function even after the outer function has finished executing. So here's example. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. Right, so the next question is what is event delegation and why is it useful? Event delegation involves assigning a single event listener to a common ancestor of multiple elements, allowing handling of events for all its descendants. This optimizes performance and reduces the number of event listeners. So here's an example. Alright, so the next question is what is the usage of function.prototype.bind? Function.prototype.bind is a method in JavaScript that creates a new function that with a specified this value and initial arguments. It allows you to permanently set the context of a function, ensuring that this refers to a particular object. This is particularly useful in callback functions and event handling. So here's an example. Right, what are higher order functions? Higher order functions are functions that can accept other functions as argument or return them as a result. This powerful feature in JavaScript enables the creation of more abstract and reusable code. So here's an example. The question interviewers asked is implement array.prototype.map method by hand. The array.prototype.map method creates a new array by applying a provided function to each element of an existing array. To implement it manually, you iterate through the array, apply the function, and collect the results in a new array. So here's an example. There's one more interview question. What is argument object? The arguments object is a local variable available within all functions containing an array-like list of the function's arguments. It provides a way to access parameters regardless of the number defined in the function signature. So here's an example. There's one more question interviewer asked will be how to create an object without a prototype. To create an object without a prototype in JavaScript, you can use object.create. The former creates an object without any prototype chain, making it a clean slate. So here's an example. Right, the next question is what are arrow functions? Arrow functions are a concise way to write anonymous functions in JavaScript. They have a shorter syntax, lexical scoping for this, and implicitly return values, making code more compact and readable. So here's an example. Last question is how to check if a certain property exists in an object. To check if a certain property exists in an object, you can use the hasOwnProperty method or the in operator. These methods ensure a robust way of checking for the existence of properties in objects. So here's an example. Alright, the bonus question is what are wrapper objects? Wrapper objects are objects that represent primitive data types in an object-oriented context. In JavaScript, primitive types like strings, numbers, and booleans can be temporarily converted to wrapper objects for specific operations. So we can write this or this by using wrapper object. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned these JavaScript interview questions. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.